What's the meaning of Art Deco? Art Deco. Art Deco.
Art Deco. Art Deco. Art Deco is a style of visual arts, architecture, and design that originated in Europe during the early 20th century. It is characterized by its use of geometric shapes, bold colors, and metallic accents, often with an emphasis on symmetry in a streamlined, modern aesthetic. Art Deco was popularized during the Roaring Twenties and continued to influence design movements throughout the 1930s. Today, it is still celebrated for its glamorous and luxurious appeal, as well as its innovative approach to design.